So this is the video quality of Samsung Ultra Edge 60 FPS. You can see the colors are so sharp, the images are brilliant, vibrant. In the sunlight, you can see the results without imaging. It's a super amazing result, and I just love my Samsung S21 Ultra. In the shade, you can see the results. There is some shade over here, and you can see the colors, which is so good, just super amazing. You can see the so amazing. The early morning sunshine and the result is super amazing. I am capturing the coriander. This is the autofocus, so brilliant. The color sharpness is mind blowing, I think so. So here I am taking the snaps in the full shade. This will give you some idea how this super Samsung S20 Ultra one. The sunshine, it's around 10 p.m. It's around 10 a.m.